Hi and welcome. Lisa here with a product reveal for Whimsy Stamp's Elegant Butterfly Cling Red Rubber Stamp and Coordinating Outline Die. These items are sold separately. I'm so excited to share this gorgeous butterfly and the samples I've created, but first I want to stamp the image out. You definitely want to see all that gorgeous filigree detail in this stamp. Plus, I want to run this through the die cut machine with you. It cuts beautifully. Now, this is a large image. It measures approximately 4¼ inches wide by about 3½ inches high. So I've paired this image with a few previously released products from Whimsy Stamps to create what I hope are inspiring samples for you. For my first sample here, I stamped the butterfly onto a slimline card base twice, masked them off, did a little ink blending and stamping with some Distress Oxide inks. Now, this next sample is quick and simple. Stamp the black and white background using the Flight of Butterflies stamp set. Stamp the elegant butterfly in rainbow colors, cut in half, ran it along the edge of the slimline card base, and added faith, hope, believe to each butterfly. Now for my last sample, I simply inked the butterfly in rainbow colors, created a background using the brick stencil from Whimsy and texture paste. I popped that butterfly up off with foam adhesive and added a heat embossed sentiment to that. That's going to wrap us up for this product reveal. Let me know what you think of the new Elegant Butterfly Cling Red Rubber Stamp and Outline Die. Now, for more information on the products in this video, you can head over to the Whimsy Stamps website by clicking the link in the description box below. Be sure to join us in the Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration Facebook group. Follow us on Instagram and Pinterest, where you will find more inspiration from the amazing design team. And until next time, take care.